Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. I hope you all are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video which will guide you to create an account in Instagram application. Instagram application is a very popular platform to be connected with the world. It is a very well liked social networking website. So get ready to be connected with the world through Instagram. To do that, first of all, you'll have to create an account in Instagram and I would be helping you to do that. So, first of all, just make sure you have installed Instagram application on your phone. Then after, tap on the Instagram app. Tap on the blue button that says create new account. Now you can whether open your Instagram account through your phone number or email, but I'm going to use my phone number to make an account. So I wrote my phone number down in that blank, then tap on the next button. You'll receive a confirmation code on your number. Then after typing the confirmation code, this screen will appear which will ask for a name and a password. Write your name and type a strong password which you will remember forever and your account will be secured. Then tap whether on continue and sync contact, or you can also go without syncing contact. Since you have used your phone number, your phone contacts will be synced with your account and you will see the people of your phone contact. But if you don't want that, you can tap on continue without syncing contact. And here, since I don't want to do that, I will tap on continue without syncing contact, which is the second option. Now add your birth date. I was born in 1990, so I just wrote down my birth date. Now I'm tapping on next. You can change your username, or you can also put a name suggested by Instagram itself. And since I'm okay with the name that Instagram had suggested, I will tap on sign up, which is the first option. But if you want to change your username, you can also tap on the second option and see for other names. I'm tapping on the first option. You can connect with your Facebook friends and follow them in Instagram. For that, you'll have to connect to your Facebook. Then automatically your Instagram account will be connected to your Facebook account. If you want to do that, you may tap on the first option which says connect to Facebook. But since I don't want to do that right now, I'll tap on the second option that says escape. Then you will get some people suggestions to whom you can follow if you want. I'm following Kylie Jenner, Khloe Kardashian, Selena, Kim Kardashian and Leo Messi. Then I'm tapping on the blue arrow which is on the top right corner. You'll see people that you have followed in your feed. Since I had followed Kim K, Chloe K, Selena, I'm getting their post in my feed. You can tap on the arrow option on the top right corner and chat with people that you want. You can explore by tapping on the search option. You can also add stories by tapping on the option which is on the middle. You may allow Instagram to access photo, media, contents, file of your device. Then you will be able to upload any post or stories. You can also do shopping through Instagram. And below right corner of your phone you can find your profile, which you can edit. You can edit your profile, your names, your followers, everything. Well, this is how you create account in Instagram application. Trust me, this process is the easiest. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Hope you found this video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Do subscribe the channel for more informational and fun tutorial videos. Comment down below for any feedbacks. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Enjoy being connected with people through Instagram.